Okay, so we have guy wires of equal length anchoring a vertical post to the flat ground. I'm going to make the flat ground here in green. And then I'm going to make a vertical post here in black. Okay, like that. Let's see if I can shift that down onto the ground. Whoops. Yeah, like that. All right, now let's take, I want to make some lines. Where can I find my lines? Oh, whoops. Okay, here we go. And make lines that run to the ground at the same height. And let me change the color on that. Like this. Okay. They are of equal length, so that means I'm going to actually copy this thing. I can do this tool thing where I copy, duplicate it, okay, and then I'm going to grab it and bring it over here, and I need to rotate it. Hopefully this will let me rotate it. And doesn't seem to, but I'll try and grab the end of it and kind of bring it over like that, and bring it over like that. Okay, now it's attached at the same points. Okay, and the kind of idea is that if it's the same length, then why does it have to be the same distance from the base of the post? Well, and I think that I missed it a little bit. Let's make it like that. Okay, well, let's talk about what we know. If it is perfectly vertical, then what we've got is a right angle here. Oops, that's fine. Sorry, you're probably seeing all the internal workings of what I'm doing right here. Okay, but we've got a right angle here and here. Okay, we've got this reflexively congruent to itself, and we know that the wires are the same length, so we've got these wires, okay, here. Why do they reach the ground at the same distance? Well, let's see. Guy wires of equal length, vertical post to the flat ground, wires are attached. The post is vertical, so the triangles are right angles. And what we have now is a hypotenuse leg situation. Whenever you have the right angles right here, if we have a hypotenuse the same on both and one of the legs, and the legs is the other two sides that aren't the hypotenuse, right? The two legs make up the right angle. Hypotenuse leg says that we have congruence, and that means that all parts are congruent, and that means that this distance right here is congruent to this distance right here, and so that's why it says, explain why the wires reach the ground at the same distance from the base. This same distance here is the same from there to there, because hypotenuse leg theorem. Okay?